How's it going?
Do you remember us?
Oh yeah, y'all still doing that?
Yeah. So we came, we saw, and we conquered.
Yeah.
We got here earlier today. We made some trades. We're kind of starting this, the intro a little bit late. The day is already done, and we know we did a good job. So watch the rest of the video, and you'll know how good we did. Stay tuned.
I want to check these out. We're willing to trade these and that whole box of stuff.
Get rid of myself, so
Okay.
it'll probably just sit on my shelves for a while.
Okay.
Did you try the games? There's a game guy down there. He sells pretty much nothing but games.
Oh, okay. Which way is he?
You had a different approach.
Was I not persuasive?
I know.
I feel
You
persuasive.
seem like a little more timid than last
What do you
time. Last time watching the videos, you guys seem like y'all went in with confidence. Like,
Honestly, I'm just kind of tired
we
today.
started out with a paper clip. We're up here with this box. We want to trade you this box for this.
We just gotta like intimidate people. Is that our?
Yes. Let's
our
do it.
ultimate
Let's just do it.
goal.
Let's just
We
do
just
it.
have
Well,
to, like,
why
Why
not?
not?
Tell the story. Tell the.
Let's tell the story. All right.
Tell the
let's
story.
Let's go find the other
and,
game
like,
guy.
Well, we're looking to we're from E-Town, and we've been trading like up in value, just things that we've accumulated. We started out with a paper clip, and we basically just kept. We wondered if you're willing to just check out the Xboxes. They got some controllers with them.
We're trying to get rid of all the video games.
Oh, really?
Because there's too many people in here that are selling video games, and we just can't compete with them anymore. Pokemon cards is what's paying our rent lately, so.
Oh, we gotta get more confidence, dude. We gotta get more confidence. We gotta get this going.
We started trading paper clips. We've been trading our way up. We're good. Okay.
Yes.
Please. Are you guys willing to do trades?
What do you got?
Well,
I understand what you're doing. Yeah, to go from one and go. Yeah, I understand that. Yeah. Now you keep going though down the other aisles. I bet you they'd, be willing to do it just to keep it going.
still do trades.
Sometimes. Wow.
We got a couple of Xboxes.
I don't even sell them no more. I scrap them out for gold. I buy them outside. I don't even check them if they work. I sell the cords and I strip them out for gold because nobody hardly buy them, dude. You can't get nothing out of them.
Yeah. Imagine taking this.
Is this real?
It's not sharp. But
Yeah, tip for the top. That's not. You don't want this strike. You think they want to train? Let's try training the skis. That's the only thing I can see.
Hello.
Hello. You all do trades here?
No.
No?
No.
You
I'm
have
only
to-
selling.
What's that?
I'm only selling.
Okay.
That's pretty.
I trade when I sell something and for a gift and the
What do you think?
It's pretty dope. Let me see that. Here, hold.
We get the guy with the mic to tell us there are a few boys trying to trade water skis and 2 Xboxes. Really good? Yeah. Let's make ourselves look sound special. We're doing a documentary. Sir, are you in charge of the intercom? Or?
Yes.
Okay. We're basically trying out a documentary. We started out with a paperclip, and we're like one-upping it, trading. And we got to a couple Xboxes, a bike, and water skis. Would you be able to like announce over the intercom, like if there are a few guys here, they're willing to trade if anybody's interested?
To be honest with you, we really don't do. If you want to talk, listen, the general manager, he'll be back in a minute. His name's Larry. If you want to talk to him about it, he might do it. I don't know. But give him about 10 or 15 minutes to come back. His name's Larry.
He'll be here, I
Yes,
guess.
sir. He'll be right here in the office.
Thank
Okay. All right, thank you.
All right, guys. Thank you.
That sounds amazing.
It does
Say
sound
it's a
amazing.
documentary. I was about to laugh when I said it, but I was like, you know what? It's a documentary.
I'll put that on there.
Where's this lady?
Alright guys, you needed to subscribe to our channel right now. If you don't, we're gonna break this washing machine. Where? What'd you say?
Wow, that's a fail. It's a refrigerator.
Okay.
Just let it go. Just let it go. What's up with the?
How you doing? Are you do you trade? You looking to trade? Looking for.
We got some water skis. We got a couple Xboxes with some stuff with it. And basically, what we're doing, we started out with like a paper clip. And we just started trading up. And so, you know of anything that we could like trade with or?
No. Not at the moment.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Not at the moment. Okay.
That guy didn't even make eye contact with you. He didn't even make eye contact with any of us. He was making eye contact with the camera.
I thought he was looking at birds.
and then when you scooted over too, so he'd be in the shot.
Hey, how are you? We're just trying to have some fun. We're doing a documentary where we're like trading. Okay, yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
You guys willing to trade? We got some water skis. We got a couple Xboxes.
Yeah.
Say, look around. Say, if you see something you want, we might trade you.
Sure.
Okay.
Here you go. Y'all just want to go up in value, right?
Yeah.
How about that?
What is that?
I'll give you 3 of them.
What
For
is
something.
it?
For something, yeah. For everything y'all got, I'll give you 3 of them.
What is it?
Yeah, irrigation. Like it runs off a smart app, and it can tell if it's rained too much. You know what I'm saying? It'll tell the system not to come on. You can run it off your phone.
Oh,
Lowe's sells them for $250. Yeah.
We could trade the.
On eBay they were selling for like $300 and something. But you can put any mouthpiece on it.
Apparently, that's a good name brand of Piccolo.
Tell it to come on, go off.
That's
things
pretty
like
cool.
That, so basically,
It's a different style. I mean, is that worth anything? Like bashing over. That looks so.
What about the rim and tire? Can we also incorporate that into it, or
yeah, say, look, y'all give me how many y'all got?
how many? What do you mean?
The Xbox.
Xbox is
Yeah,
2.
two.
Little video.
Just don't know about it.
Yeah.
That's fine.
I guarantee that you could take a gas tank and trade for almost anything you wanted to that was probably worth $300, just that gas tank. To somebody that has a Beetle that's trying to look for that gas tank. Yeah, say I'll call you tonight, and if y'all can meet me in this area here, we'll trade for it. All right.
It's got some weight to
You
it.
ride dirt bikes?
No, I'll say my buddy does say we go to storage unit.
Yeah. See ya.
That was a great. Those were.
Were they trying to talk us out of these? Because I feel like these would have been more than the Volkswagen.
Hey, yeah, they were. I thought that too.
What?
He was trying to convince us that those things.
Yeah, I
were
know.
Trading all this stuff.
Those skis are awesome.
What is that?
The skis are awesome.
Oh yeah, we really had those. Yeah.
Oh, did you? I was like, man, you did good.
We heard there's somebody around this area trying to switch out speakers for the skis, but I don't know where he's at.
Try over by the food court. Seriously, over by the food court.
Oh, I think I know who you're talking about.
Yeah.
He's white. He's got a gun.
Yep.
Yep.
Try him. I mean,
Yeah,
worth
we
the
tried
shot,
him.
man.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
Good day.
You tried telling a joke, he didn't get it. See, this guy will trade anything in here.
Alright, dude, this time we got tires.
Let's only bring one. Only bring one.
Yeah. Wait, what is this? Is this just a crappy version?
Yeah, this is more high tech.
Where's the one where it says 200 feet? $250. Where's the one with we got a good deal. Now,
All these things on this?
SkyDrop irrigation control. SkyDrop.
Okay, but it basically
This is
is. Okay, this is what people use.
Open up.
They're all open up.
Right,
But look,
can you sell this? Can you sell this to him? This time?
Oh, maybe it's
That's an awful. Go for it.
We just got this irrigation system, and I don't know if you would be still willing to trade anything.
They said it sells on retail for $250. I don't know if I believe that, but it looks like it's got some value to it.
No, it's kind of late in the season for
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that's true.
irrigation.
How much was it?
He said on eBay 65. So.
Yeah, they got them for $65.99.
Okay. Thanks. Appreciate it.
Yep, no problem.
Thank
Y'all
you.
have a good one.
You too.
Thank you. You too.
All right, guys. If you subscribe to us right now, hit that subscribe button. If you subscribe, we will.
Oh, hey. So we're trying to have some fun. We started out with a paper clip. We've been trading up and up and up, and so far we have gotten to the big stuff.
What is it? Irrigation, smart watering, sprinkler control. Oh, control.
It kind of just like
Below them too.
Yeah.
There's like 3 of them.
I don't know anything about that. What's the wheels for? What's the
Dirt bike.
for what size?
we just got them too.
I wouldn't have any use for really anything. If them was for 450, if that wheel would fit a 450, I'd be interested in doing something with
Where's
it.
the other tire for? One that
They're
doesn't
both the
have-
same thing.
Both
They're
the
gonna be
same.
at 225 or 125 or 250.
Okay.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Good luck. Sounds like that fun little chores.
Check out the skis. Put the skis like over there. We can't trade those skis back to them. Of course not. Are you taking the skis back to the car?
No, let's just
Oh, he left. There's an opportunity to be skis. Hey, are you looking to trade?
Huh?
Would you be willing to trade?
Trade what?
Anything? We have.
I don't even know that. I don't have no motorcycle.
What irrigation?
Anybody that you
you
want
to sell to that might have a motorcycle? Or
Huh?
we have these irrigation systems too. The yeah. You want to take a look at it?
I don't even know what irrigation system is. I'm good. No.
well, like
Y'all got here too late, but everybody's leaving.
Yeah.
Was it some old?
Did y'all trade them too?
Yeah, we traded those. Yeah.
From last year?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Them was mine.
Yeah.
But the skis would be different.
Yeah, that's fine. I think that's a good idea.
Let's go. Get out of here.
What would you take on? One of the microwaves in there for all this?
for all of this.
$80 microwave. What about the microwave for that box?
That I don't know. You think it's?
Yeah, maybe.
You got microwave?
I just wanting something short, sweet, and simple. Than a box in a box. Yeah, it's brand new. Come here, look.
It's hard to say. What do you think? It's more simple.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
I'm thinking.
Yeah, I like it.
That's a brand new
More
one.
people, especially at Christmas time, are going to want a microwave to give to somebody for Christmas.
Yeah.
More than they will
Thank you.
automatic tell you when to water your yard things.
Rick, right?
Yeah, Rick.
Well, whichever hand. We'll try that out. Doesn't make
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. We really liked you guys watching our videos. Today we started out with what?
We got.
Two
We did not have the bike. We did not have the bike.
Yeah, we didn't have the bike today.
So we had the water skis. We still got these, in which I like these, so we still have them. And then of course we had the cheap Xboxes, which we found out by talking to everybody they're not worth anything.
Yeah.
So what we got out of those Xboxes, we got a couple of dirt bike tires, one with a rim. We can probably trade that for something. We're thinking about Craigslist, and then we got that microwave.
All right, guys, hit that subscribe button. Hit it. I don't think it's recording. Yeah, it's recording. If you don't hit that subscribe button, we're gonna throw all this stuff away.
It's not that button. It's not that button. It's this button.
No, it's down
this
there.
Button.
Hayden, it's down. It's below.
Oh.
The subscribe button's below.
It's that button.
That
Right
one
there.
right there.
That's a button. Subscribe. Yeah.
But yeah.
You know what I hate? You know I hate when people do that kind of stuff, like hit the subscribe button. If you agree with me, hit the subscribe button so I know how you feel. Hit the subscribe button.